पाकिस्तान ने यूक्रेनी सदर के यूक्रेन तनाज़े में पाकिस्तानी शहरियों के मुलवस होने के दावे को मुस्तरद कर दिया। बाज़ाब्ता वजाहत तलब करने का ऐलान किया गया है। दफ्तर ख़ारजा ने कहा कि अभी तक यूक्रेनी हुक्काम ने पाकिस्तान से राबता करके इल्ज़ाम के मुतालिक कोई बात नहीं की।
The government of Pakistan categorically rejects the baseless and unfounded allegations of the involvement of Pakistani nationals in the conflict in Ukraine. To date, Pakistan has not been formally approached by the Ukrainian authorities, nor has any verifiable evidence been presented to substantiate such claims. Government of Pakistan shall take up the matter with the Ukrainian authorities and seek clarification in this regard. Israel's expansionist attempts are a deliberate effort to destabilize the region and sabotage any meaningful path to peace. India's unlawful actions of 5th August 2019 are aimed at turning the Kashmiris into disempowered community in their own land.